Well, got a few things installed. Got the nitrous fuel side running up to a new silicone 90. Put the nozzle in. It's close to the pulley, but I zip tied them to the fan so they can't move. It made the trip home last night without scorching or burning anything. Got the wet side tank in, line coming out the bottom to the fuel pump. Looped it up and around, back in. Put the IET sensor into the tube, threaded that, 3/8 MPT. And then got my nitrous side and the purge, everything put in. Most of the wire hid. Had to ground it to the coil bracket. I'm assuming it's a good enough ground. Had to do it on both sides. Run the purge up and out, and my solenoids are tucked back there. I haven't mounted them yet because I still got to do the wiring on the inside. And we should have at least a 175 shot on this thing. So far, so good though.